Hey guys, it is Sunday the 5th. Welcome to the farm. I wanted to share what's going on with the girls in the girl pen and what we're looking at for kidding season. I have no working light right now, so I'm trying to use natural light as much as possible, but I want to turn you around. After we see the girls, I want to show you how I'm sealing the vessels, the concrete vessels I made for my candles, and I'll just show you how I'm sealing that once we get back down to the house. But just a sneak peek, I did one coat of this sealant. Now you can see that a little bit better. Like I said, I don't have a working light. I did one coat. I just love that design. So 2 coats is recommended. And then next week I'll be pouring my candle wax and testing the candles in them before I put them in the farm store and offer them for sale online. But let's go check on these girls. Just thrilled. I just want to hang out with them. Goats are really good company, actually. Give y'all a Sunday afternoon shot of the farm, especially if y'all are new here and haven't been here at Steadfast. There's Luna and Amber over there. There they are. It's a nice day. I probably don't need this jacket. We went from like 20 degrees to I think it's 55 today. All right, so barn, indoor arena, and then over here are my boys. Hey boys. Hi. How are you? All right, Moose, he's a wether. Toby is gonna be a wether soon and sold as a pet or companion goat for another buck. Hey, pea face, you're still peeing on your face? This is our buck that we used for all of our does this year because little Lincoln, he wasn't quite sure about what to do yet. Next year, buddy, or actually this year, this October. So yeah, this is Romeo. So we have the Romeo dynasty with our 8 does that have his babies. You're gonna be a daddy, Romeo? Yeah, what do you think about that? He's speechless. And Amber's come to say hello. Hi, sweet girl. So those boys are gonna be moving soon over to the other side of the girls, where I'm taking y'all because I'm gonna be finishing cleaning it out. I've been in there cleaning it. I want 2 to 3 of my does that are up to kid to use that as the kidding area to start. I was not expecting 8 does. That was their choice. I was like 4 or 5 does I was gonna breed. Went to Target, they all got out. Some of them were already bred at that time, but those that weren't got bred. They partied while I was at Target. All right, here we go. Ponies, Mary Legs, Samantha's taking a nap, and Journey. And a lot of times people get worried when horses are laying down. This is perfectly normal nap style. Lay down, enjoying this warm weather. Yes, we got Charisma Crew. It's boarded here on the next pasture, and up in our paddock 7 are our other 4 horses, one which is boarded here, but used in our horsemanship program that we do for the community here. And these are the girls. I've stopped using their hay feeders. We're gonna pull them out, clean them out. They've been, you know, you can see Peaches here. She's been wearing her hair away from her nose. What are you doing, Peaches? Huh? I'm gonna let the chickens out to free range for a little while. We only have 3, and Jeff, our rooster, who actually attacked Weston, I think he thought that he was being mean to the girls. He was trying to get him back in the coop, and he went on the attack. And that was the first time. He's never been aggressive before. So I think that was just kind of a one-time thing. I think he was using his foot like to scoot them in there. Now this is where I'm moving the boys. In here, and I will stop feeding the chickens in here and feed them in their coop so that the goats don't get corn. And I don't really give my boys much of anything as grain wise. Well, y'all enjoy, have fun. All right, this is our chicken and goat barn. So we have chickens on this side, which I will be moving them, and as soon as I get better the mats, the black mats, I will be utilizing this as a complete goat barn here. Hi, because we're just growing in goats. Yeah. Hi, pretty girls. And Nugget, the weather. He's a Lamacha Nigerian dwarf. Yes. Peaches. And Star. This is their paddock. So we have a barn here. This will eventually have sliding doors. We just haven't gotten that far. I do have stalls that Mike's been in cleaning out and fixing, because they rammed them up pretty good. And their paddock, which I've shown before, but we have a lot of new subscribers, so thanks guys for clicking on and watching. But the property goes for them, their paddock goes all the way down past the chicken run, and that's actually where I've been putting their hay so they won't be rubbing their noses. Everybody's got a nose rub mark on them. So see, we're on the other side of where the boys were. Hi, let's check y'all's dates, okay? And we have udders, guys. I've never had udders for 40 days prior to the kidding date, which is March 10th, for 2 of my girls. And that's Peaches and Chloe. These 2 are my March 10th. And then Bonnie is the 12th. And then we have a 16th, a 20th. I'll show you all on the calendar. But the only doe that's not bred is Emma, thankfully. And she is too little. You're too little and too young, but you get to meet Romeo. Yes, this in October. Peaches, are you gonna let me see your udder? Huh? Can we just take a peek? You have a good udder. Yes, I know, and I think you have 4 babies in there. I think you do. I think you do. So she's still 33 days out. What am I doing, Molly? Huh? And Molly's pregnant. I didn't want her pregnant. Well, she's got a really good udder. She's gonna lick it off me. I can't just take a peek, huh? Okay, this is also a kidding stall in here, and Chloe had her babies. Let's get some, oh no, I got it locked because of the cold. I'll open those up, let some sun in. All right, let's see if we can see this, hopefully. Well, I don't have my glasses on, so y'all can probably see it. I just can't. So we got Chloe and Peaches. I think Chloe's gonna have 3, and Peaches is gonna have 4. She's following me around. I think I'm just gonna sit out here with you guys. My grandsons are coming. So maybe we'll just hang out with the goats. Yeah? She's carrying. I hope I'm right on the dates. Guys, wait a second. Okay, so, I'm not 100% sure, but I don't feel any ligaments, and she has goop. Can you see that? I don't know how I got that wrong. How could I be a month off? No, she's got goop, and she's very vocal. I can't, how? Okay, I've kind of walked away, and the goat's gonna, no nugget, came back and felt her again, and I think I was just too close to the tail. I mean, she definitely was losing some fluid. This could totally happen weeks before kidding, but it does get me to, look at this goat. It does really make me, gonna be really cautious and watch her closely, because it could be before the 10th. Totally could be before the 10th of March. But you know, in my mind, I'm going, okay, she gets selenium every month. She gets good nutrition, because any time premature babies come, it's a lack of selenium, which is a very important mineral, or poor nutrition. And all my goats are up to, no, you knocked over my calendar. So for y'all, I'm going to show you. So I was here, and there feels like nothing, but I needed to come out a little wider on her to really feel her ligaments. She is a deep, wide doe, and she has kidded before at another farm, and she had twins. They came out. She had twins cleaned up. She did amazing, so I'm excited about that she's, you know, fine, hasn't had any trouble kidding prior, but this is her first time here. I don't know how she's going to act. I don't know a lot about her, and so this is going to be the time when she does actually go and to labor. I'll really be watching just different things with her and things she does, so I'll be prepared for the coming years as well. But let's look at our calendar, and then I'll take y'all down to the house and show you how I'm sealing these jars. Oh my goodness, this was crazy. All right, so I was losing light, the wind is blowing, so I thought I'd bring it out here. And so Chloe and Peaches are on the 10th, and then soon after we have Bonnie on the 12th, Bubbles on their sisters on the 16th. Both I think are having 2. And then Molly, she's a first freshener. I believe she's gonna have 1. And I know Star, I hear you. I'm gonna bring you more hay. And then April 5th, I have Sarah, Star, and Nellie. Sarah is also a first freshener. Oh my God. gosh. Star, why are you so loud? Huh? So we are on task. I feel a lot better. It really worried me, you know. We're okay, right? I don't know how she's gonna get any bigger though. You're already huge. But the good thing is I do have this stall ready to go if I have a doe go into labor. There's a few things else I want to do. Hi, sweet. You're so beautiful. Yes, you are. You are so beautiful. Yes. All right. Hope the lighting is halfway decent. I did a seal in this one here, and I'm going to do another one, and I just do the inside. So when my rest of my candle, the wax and everything, I'm going to be doing a blend with my beeswax. Once that comes in, I can start testing. So these will have a good time to be able to sit and wait. So let me get my sealer. This is called Earth Safe Finishes. If y'all know me and watch my channel, you know I do as natural as I can for just about, well, for everything that I can do. There really is no scent to it. So I'm going to do the second coat on these. And it's basically these little sponge brushes and get a good amount. And so I'm going to go kind of horizontal back and forth, and because I was going vertical before, and wow, you can tell a difference now putting it on. And so I'm just sealing it to make sure I get everything. If you put wax in these without sealing it, you can have seepage through the concrete jar. So it's important to seal it. Not so much the outside, which I'm going to try another sealer. It's called Eco Sealer. I'll have to get the actual name on that. And that one you actually dip the whole vessel into, wipe it off, and then do a second dip. So, all right, guys, thanks for watching. I'm trying to use the last bit of light we have here on the farm. Thank you so much for liking, subscribing, and sharing. We have so many things coming up here on the farm. Exciting news I'm sharing this week about my soap business, my skincare business, and I'm just really excited. I wish I could just tell y'all now, but I really want to line some things up, and I know the journey that I'm on that's happening is going to also help if you're looking to help support your homestead or support your family. I know that the path that I'm going to be taking here is going to really help you as well in making decisions and just that business side of handmade products. So looking forward to it. Make sure you subscribe. See you next time. God bless. Bye.